Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you this iPad cover that I just got. This was sent to me for free so that I could share it with you. I have my iPad right here. Oh, I probably should have cleaned it off. I didn't clean it off, but here it is. I have not even opened up the case, so let's see what it looks like. So I bring my iPad everywhere. I'm a substitute teacher and sometimes a classroom teacher, and I love having my own device with me, especially as a substitute teacher, but I don't want to carry around a whole computer. It's just too big. So carrying around my iPad is great, but I also really like to have a case on it because I am traveling from room to room. I never know what the situation is going to be. So this is an iPad case. Okay, it is clear. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look how adorable this is. Oh my goodness. So it is clear, which is fine. It's got protective film, so it's got a warning here, but I freaking love the inside of the keyboard. I love having a keyboard because it feels more like a computer. But look at this. You can see all the circuits and stuff like that. It is such a cool looking thing. It's got the full swivel. Here, let's just put my iPad in there. What a crazy idea. So there's 3 corners, just got to squeeze it in. There you go. It's nice and tight in there, very well held. Oh, this slides up and down. Man, I'll have to read why, but I'm sure that there's a reason. And here we go. Oh, I even like the click. The keyboard has nice keys on it. It lights up when you start typing. There's a little tracking pad on here too. It's got a protective covering too. Ooh, let's remove it. So I am sure that there are things I don't know about this device. I'm going to have to read some instructions, but it feels very substantial. You can close it like this, carry it around. I could even put stickers on it, which I tend to do. So this looks like a really great heavy duty case. I may make a second video where I'll show you some of the features, but this one just showing you how it works and how you put it together. I feel like this is a great product, and I really love how it looks.